on our shore excursion, Mumbai on the move. The first people in the coach. Ooh, the dress is showing. We've sat right by a fan. Although the aircon's on and it's nice. It's a bit, I don't know, a bit rusty, but it's nice. I mean, you can see I'm sweating, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. I don't know, it's just warm, but I don't feel uncomfortable, do you? No. It is early in the morning, to be fair. Like, well, not early, but it's 9:30 or something. It's not like the heat of the day. I'm going to try and vlog more today because I haven't really the last few days. But yeah, I mean, you don't want to see my face anyway. You want to see the stuff that I'm going to see. So I will try and vlog more of Mumbai today.
The house from where it was picked up, who picks it up, who delivers it. Okay, all information is inside these numbers.
त्यामध्ये सर्व केशरी पिवळे अंत्योदय अन्नप्रकार शेतापत्तीचा
You can see the shoe shine man. trend. But actually, mind and your health. So today is also the day of Ayurveda. Tomorrow is the festival of Diwali, the festival of lights. अभी किधर चल रहा है?
Who's angry?
On behalf of myself and our entire crew, I want to again sincerely apologise for the situation that arose yesterday. Whilst much of this was beyond our control, our commitment to your experience with us is our priority. We fully acknowledge that things didn't go as planned and that your experience was compromised.
Oh, it wasn't.
As a gesture of goodwill and acknowledgement of your time lost, we invite you all to enjoy free bubbles and sangria between 5 and 6 p.m. this evening at all open deck bars on decks 15 and 16. So once again, that's between 5 and 6 p.m. at all open deck bars on decks 15 and 16. I hope you'll accept our invitation to enjoy the sailaway, refreshments, and I look forward to seeing you all around the ship. Thank you.
Oh, bless them. They've done nothing wrong. I don't understand how India being, like, what's the word? Very conscientious about who they allow in the country, how that's Virgin's fault. Oh, bless them. We just have a mask on there. I think we're leaving someone. The lady down there has been off looking for people. Oh, there's a dog coming. Oh. I imagine he's just a stray. Left this gangway for ages and now they can. They're not. Well, that was lucky. Woo! Finally. Lucky, lucky people. Nearly left in Mumbai. So noisy here. I don't know if you can hear the noise. It's just the background noise. I'm in the hammock. We're just sailing away from Mumbai shortly. I'm doing a time lapse. We've got another device up there doing a time lapse. At the moment it's sunset. You can see. I'm only seeing my glasses. Mirrored. We just had some pier runners. Very last minute. We had just given up on them. We'd waited 50 minutes, and then just as we gave up, the dockmen were screaming and shouting just as the gangway was being pulled in, and they arrived. I'd charge them. Yeah, what else? It's kind of hot, but you know, in Mumbai it's going to be hot. It hasn't been too unpleasant temperature. It's hot, you can see it perspiring, but like, it's nice. Yeah, we're about to sail out from Mumbai, and I'm doing a time lapse.